Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. Today's video, I will be reviewing these cases from Ringke. They sent me out their Fusion case in matte smoke. Also their Fusion design case, which has pretty little flowers on there. And then they also sent me the Fusion Galaxy in clear. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can you wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? The normal things we look for in a case video. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending these cases to me for review. I have reviewed the Fusion X and the Onyx case on my channel already. Go check out those videos. Ringke makes some of the best cases out there for many different types of phones. But let's get into it. You can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Let's start off with the floral design. It says the Fusion design, floral. You have the same packaging from Ringke that you normally get. Pretty simple. And I'm gonna try to open it from the bottom. I don't like opening it from the top because I like to keep them in the packaging. But you get your normal books and stuff, 20% off. It has protective film. So let me see if I can actually, oh yeah, they have little tabs. Oops. Pull the tab off too hard. Let me pull this one off. Alright, so here is the case itself. Like I said, it has some floral designs on there. The power button is ridged, so I like that. It's a hard plastic. Now this will show off the beauty of your phone with some flowers. This side is, you know, empty. Everything at the bottom lines up. The pen is easy to get out. You have a lot of room for the USB Type-C. The power button is easy to press. The vine rockers are nice and tactile also. The microphone at the top lines up. This is a nice case. I mean, if you don't mind the flowers on there, it's definitely a nice case. It fits really well. It doesn't add bulk, as you can tell. You do get lip action from the top and the bottom. As you can tell here, it doesn't touch the glass, so you have some room. You also have camera protection there. Now, I wouldn't slam it down because it's barely there, but you have it. So you can put it down and not worry about scratching up your beautiful lenses in the back. The overall fit. Now, at the bottom again, a lot of case companies have a little bit of loose fitness there, but I mean, it's not bad though. It goes back. And then getting this off, you have to take some effort, so bam. As you can tell there, it fits really good. This is a good fitting case. I do like it. It has your little lanyard cutouts there. Can you wireless charge with it? That is the question. And yes, you can wireless charge with this case on it. I didn't think you would have a problem. So this is the Fusion design, floral design. Let's try out the matte one. So here is the matte black one, or matte smoke they call it. I do like how the back is smoke. It's not going to attract as many fingerprints. The power button is still ridged. This one might be one of my favorite ones to use too. So you had that same type of camera cutout, the same type of lip action. You have a lot right there. Look how much that is. So again, if you place it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful lens. So here you go. Yeah, so you have a lot of room there. So that lip action is good. The power button, same thing. It's easy to press. The vine rockers are nice and tactile. You had the same type of room at the bottom and top. Easy to get out. I bet the fit's gonna be about the same as the other ones. Yep. They're not hard to get off. It takes some work to get this case off, so it's not like easily coming off, which is what you want, because if you drop it, you don't want your phone just to pop off the case. So this one is very similar like this one. It's built pretty much the same, except for it's different colors. I like this design because it's not going to show off your fingerprints. Look at that. Now let's move to the clear one. So here's the clear one. Again, it's pretty much the same design as the matte black one or smoke one. But this one shows off the beauty of your phone. But the cutouts are the same. It has the same ridged power button. It's easy to press. You get the same camera cutouts also. The same lip action from top and bottom. Doesn't add bulk to your phone, but it will protect it too because it has that corner protection on each one. I didn't do it on the matte black one, but can you wireless charge? Yes, the answer is going to be the same on each case. The fit is the same also. Takes the same strength to get it off of it. Actually, this one, that one actually takes a little bit more to get off. Look, a little bit more effort in this one too. So, but again, it shows off the beauty of your phone so much there. I love how everything lines up at the bottom and the top. So if you want to pick up the clear, maybe you like the smoke black one, or maybe you like the floral one. I won't say that this one is just for the ladies, because you may like it if you're a man too. I mean, it does show off the beauty and has some cool looking flowers on there. Again, I will have the links in the description. You can get these cases from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForzReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.